American Airlines has promised Wall Street and travelers that 2026 will be its turnaround year. It's been trailing its U.S. competitors Delta Airlines and United Airlines in profits and reliability by a wide margin, and has fallen behind in the race for premium air travel.
The customer experience is really what matters, and there is the issue, goes back to basic tenets of what kind of a business you want to run. And if you don't run a reliable business, you don't get repeat customers.
American's stock is down over the last 12 months, while other major U.S. airlines have posted gains. So the pressure is on for CEO Robert Isom.
We were on track, really like what we saw in October in terms of bookings, on track to have a really solid turnaround in terms of our fourth quarter performance. Government shutdown hit us. It hit us harder than others. We're more domestically focused. We've seen bookings return. First 3 weeks of this year, our best bookings on record. And as we come and take a look at this year, 2026, we're returning to solid profitability.
The airline flew a similar number of passengers and flights as its close competitors last year, but its profit was a tiny fraction of what United and Delta reported. Its net margins were significantly narrower, too. 2025 started with a tragedy for American when an Army Black Hawk helicopter crashed into one of its arriving regional jets, killing all 67 people on the two aircraft. But American has trailed its competitors for several years.
The slippage began decades ago, so it's nothing new. The issue really is the company deciding what it wants to be. I mean, it's a very, very basic issue. Does it want to be a global premium airline, full service in nature, or does it want to be a domestic, volume-oriented, market price carrier?
American has been lagging its rivals in the premium travel boom. It's a segment that's become more important because first-class seats cost more, and regular coach fares have slumped. Premium travel is a segment where the airline industry is seeing strength. To catch up to rivals, American is now investing more heavily in premium products like new cabins. It plans to grow lie-flat and premium economy seating by 50% by the end of the decade. It is also revamping its airport lounges, and it recently forged a new credit card deal with Citibank. It's even changing smaller things like adding Lavazza coffee and a new champagne brand.
321 XLRs are coming in. Really pleased with our Boeing 7879 Ps with the flagship suites. We've got lounge work going on throughout the system, and that's a cornerstone of what we're doing going forward. And this is not work that's just happening now. It's work that we've invested in, and it's really coming to fruition now.
American has also dropped below rivals in reliability, angering customers and crew members.
It's much less expensive, much greater margin to do it right than to have to do it over. And ultimately, employees pay for that, too.
American's pilot and flight attendant unions have called Isom's leadership into question. The flight attendants union went as far as passing a vote of no confidence in Isom. Because American's profits were so low, profit sharing with staff was also small, upsetting key labor groups. Isom acknowledged this, but did note, however, that American has recently passed new contracts with flight attendants and other labor groups that come with higher pay compared with their counterparts at United. Airline analysts say that change will take time, and the carrier will have to spend money to get there. Another challenge is that American has to pay down more than $35 billion in debt. American put out an upbeat forecast for this year. It expects both revenue and profits to grow. Now American's leadership will have to show it can improve financial results and the experience for passengers.